National Weather Service in Grand Junction has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Eagle County and west central Colorado until 7:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 4:06 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Frying Pan Road in between Basalt and Rudy Reservoir. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.